is the Wall Street. This is the Wall Street Beat Show, Crypto and Crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. Talks about niggas Crypto and Crypto. We got these indicators, don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know, we're making Crypto and Crypto. Hit the like and subscribe, we're going on the run. I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy. It's time to settle the score. You don't wanna trade crypto no more. If you don't understand that emotion, will take you to another place. And now you'll chase the red candle, can't stand you. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying?
Whoa! Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto? You hit the like, you hit the subscribe. Every day we talk about the crypto news. Starting to get a little more out there. I guess we're expanding the market, so to speak. You hit the like, you hit the bell, all notification. We're going to start talking about the stock market. We're going to talk about the S&P, the DXY, and things because it's starting to be a little too realized and understood that everything is correlating with each other. You hit the like, subscribe, hit the bell, all notifications. So when we do get this video, and I'm stuttering over, you would think it's Monday, but it is Tuesday, October 18th. We have the best news, crypto news for you. The question, will the markets recover and when? Well, we need a few things to happen. So please hit the like, subscribe. All-time high subscribers. I do appreciate the love. Most of you know we don't have to hit the like button. We do it automatically, right? We don't need to be told. Here we are, Shiba Inu new price prediction as SHIB trading volumes blast past 100 million. Yes, in the last 24 hours, Shiba Inu price in the process of validating a crucial bullish pattern, likely to send up to 16.25% from the breakout point. So right now, 1,200. Seems to be a problem. We can go over it in the charts later, but do understand that there is something going on. Why is this happening? Well, we come to you and give you reasons why. A tech giant Google opens door to Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and ApeCoin payments. They have now partnered and now are accepting through the Google. So we know who Google is. This is the next best thing. Crypto is the internet, the Web3. It's the next generation. If you're not involved into the crypto space, you could be missing out on probably the best gains and the best possible opportunities in the world. This is why you hit the like and subscribe. Very excited for this. So as you can already see here, Google expressed support for cryptocurrencies through its acceptance of Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, ApeCoin, and other cryptos as payment for cloud services. Google's support of cryptocurrencies could drive their adoption and utility. Of course it will. So that's pretty much common sense. We come here with the news and talk about the technical analysis side, obviously. But these are some of the things we're going to talk about next. I'm going to go over inflation, some of the rate hikes we've been dealing with. Polkadot hits all-time high in development activity. So Polkadot is making some headways, making some news in the crypto space, recording all-time messages that were sent between its parachains. Had 26,258. In total, there was 14,930 developers' contributions were recorded on the Polkadot's GitHub in the month of just for August. So pretty exciting for that news. Polkadot is continuing to climb. Well, Warren Buffett's rule, and it makes plenty of sense besides never sell for a loss, but be fearful when others are greedy. Most importantly, be greedy when others are fearful, right? So we have to pay attention to what is happening in the market. Every day, please hit the heart, hit the like. You follow us and we go over some of the most interesting news. So what's going on right now? The Fed's Evans rates headed to 4.5 through to 4.7.5. for 3/4 to speak of. By spring of 2023, I actually believe and do strongly believe we'll be at the 5% at some point in the 2023 timeframe. Big red flags, right? So this is one of the things I was trying to say in the title. We will not see any headway, will not see any movement in the markets for a big rally until things change. If you can remember the 2007, 2008 crash, right? I remember I was pulling everything out of my 401k before this happened. Yes, for a second damn time. As you can see, the rates went all the way down to zero. And we're going to look for something similar of that to perhaps maybe happen in the future here. It's going to take a lot of time, right, before we see something. But just remember what it took and how we got there and why we got there. So it's pretty scary. And they were still printing money. UK economy shrinks by 0.3% on back of manufacturing slump. Definitely something that has to change. The UK grocery inflation climbs to record high of 13.9% in September. It's not just the UK, it's all over. So I do believe these are some of the things that must change if we don't find this happening anytime soon. We're going to continue to deteriorate in the price. The markets are going to have no faith. The people are going to have no faith in the markets, right? So we're looking at the Bitcoin price currently right now, 4-hourly chart on TradingView. So this is usually the best and most fun part. Viral videos in the house. What's going on, Philip? Good morning to you. Good morning to the wolves. And as we're looking here, pretty strong. What is happening on this current falling wedge, even for the 4-hourly? We must analyze it. And as you can see, currently we're hitting resistance. So one concern currently right now on the 4-hourly, we do have a double top formation. Very concerning. Very concerning for the 4-hourly. So we must continue to grow and see what's happening. But what are we doing? We're establishing and breaking out of this falling wedge, ladies and gentlemen. Could be something we call an upward W, which would take us possibly to the 20,500. So you got to pay attention to this. I do believe this is a big opportunity here coming. The double top formation does have me at a standstill currently. So obviously we are contradicting in what we're expecting here, and it's very horrible. But what will happen if we are going to continue to get this bounce? And I will tell you, we will see a 19.3 come down, and if we bounce exactly off the 19.3, then we're going to get this upward W, and then we are going to be in the safe haven. So watch the upward slope. It's very important here. If you could see here, this downward slope, excuse me, not upward. We've been doing this. It's called the falling wedge all the way from the date. And I'm going to get to it. Give me a second, which is why the top of this falling wedge gets us 30,000 for Bitcoin. Currently right now from June. So the middle of the summer, this is something I'm paying attention to currently. So for a short-term time frame, and I can't speak this morning, we're looking at a jump up to 20,500 and then maybe a huge fall. So we got to watch here. We could maybe not even get there. A couple indicators got to help us out here. I'm not sure where we're heading until I see this. And as I see, double top, looks like we're going to get a rejection here. So this is going to happen. I do see a fall coming unless a huge breakout comes. So this is looking very well of a nice little rejection coming down. As you can see, the two circles I have. And obviously from September 30th coming into the September, October, so the beginning of this month, we have been here in resistance. So as long as we keep testing it, we can break it. But my concern now is the fact that we're forming this double top. So see what's happening there. We'll get rid of the indicator there so we can pay attention. Double bottom M's are scary, and this is how they start to form. And as you already know, we got to be careful. So if we don't get that bounce, like I said, off here, we could be in deep doo-doo. We need to do something like that and skip and reject off the double bottom M pattern from the 3. So very important for that. Total crypto market cap. We need to find out where we're heading, what we're doing here. Getting a little increase, $936 billion in the total crypto market cap, just roughly under. Bitcoin 19.6, and as I said, the 19.5 will have to continue and finish a daily candle above. So right now we're going to have 3 assets I want to talk about in the next video, and I think we're going to do another video after this one. So we're going to head this video out, talk about some of the main important things I was telling you, how important it was. 9.5 is very important for the next stop of 20,500. So like I said, make sure you hit the like and subscribe. Paying attention to the breakout now, we're going to find ourselves probably getting support on the bottom slope. I do expect that. Ethereum, it's very interesting, but I do have a couple. Go to the daily chart on your Ethereum, and I do have a couple couple assets that I believe are going to break out and on the verge of breaking out as this is continuing to go sideways, this and Bitcoin. So if you're interested in that sort of thing, hang tight. We're going to do the next video very shortly, about 15 minutes apart from this one when it ends. I have 3 crypto assets that I believe right now is a good buy. Not financial advice, of course, but just a gentleman twice as nice used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange. Check us out. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. We're going on a ride. We're going to the moon, and damn, we're going soon. Hope you're having a wonderful morning. Make sure you dollar cost average in and dollar cost average out, as currently we are in a sideways move, hoping to avoid another downside. So if you like these sort of videos, hang tight. Like I said, in about 10 minutes, we're going to come with another video. I have 3 crypto assets I want to go over, do technical analysis on, and if perhaps you're in the live, we can go over one of yours. So stay tight in the next 10 minutes and hope to see you soon.